Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Saha, and in this particular video lecture series we are talking about how to get started with MATLAB. This is a beginner's guide for MATLAB. If you are familiar with MATLAB and want to implement something deeper in the MATLAB, then just check my another playlist named as Implementation of Well-Known Algorithms Through Codes. Now let's get started. We have already talked about the introduction of MATLAB and we have discussed how to implement simple equations using MATLAB. That was the code 1 of this lecture series. All the videos have been uploaded. Now in this code 2 we are going to talk about how to implement complex numbers using MATLAB. So let's start. So I hope you have already understood that if there is a percentage, so that means that particular line will not be executed. So line number 1 and line number 2 are not executed, right? Now just check the line number 3. There is a blank, so no need to run that particular thing. Now line number 4, there is CLC, and then line number 5 and line number 6, clear all and close all. What are the meaning of these three syntaxes? Just refer to my first video. Next, just come to line number 8. Here you can see that is a variable x has been defined or has been used here. Here x value has given within bracket, that is within first bracket pi divided by 4. So what is pi? Pi is a variable? No, pi is pi, right? So now just check, I haven't defined the variable pi here. So pi is an inbuilt variable, that is the value of pi has already been stored in the MATLAB. You do not need to write that particular variable in the MATLAB to have that particular value. The value are already stored there. Okay. Now we need to display a string called value of x to understand which is this particular value of x. So that has been done within first bracket, within first quotation, that is within single quotation, that is value of x. So in that display function, whatever be the thing that has been written within this single quotation will be taken as a string by the MATLAB. If you have any doubt or want much more clarification about this display function, just refer to my first video. Then the display of x variable has been done by the line number 10, that is disp within bracket x. Then line number 11, that is for that complex number, that is the Euler formula. That what is it? E is equal to cos x plus I sin x. How? That is cos and sin. Both of them are already present in the, that is the functions are already predefined in the MATLAB. So cos within bracket x plus I. Now this particular I is a complex denotation, that is by this I you can denote that this is a complex number, that is cos of x plus I of sin x. That is now the value of E. Now we need to display the value of E. Oh sorry, that is there, the string will be value of E. Just let me correct it. Yes, so this is basically value of E will be there, not Y. This Y will not be there, this is be the E. Okay, so now we are displaying the value of E. This was the code. So in the workspace, two variables have been created. Now you can see that E is placed over x. You might understand that E is a variable that has been created later on, then Y is before x. No, it's like that alphabetically order is there. So it's not like that which variable has been created first or which is the later one. It's just going to give you the alphabetical ordering of the variables in the workspace. Now the value of x, that is the value of x is the string that you have written in the code. that has been displayed, then value of y, that is the I is there, that is the cos of x plus I of sin x. See, the I is there, that denotes that it's a complex number. So this is all about how we can write complex number in MATLAB. So thank you everyone for investing your time, and happy studying.